We got 2014 Nissan Altima here. We're going to show you how to take the headlight out. What we did is we took the bumper cover off by taking the clips off, all the screws around. You can hang the bumper cover, but we had to take this off for repairs. Now to get the headlight out, there's a 10mm screw here. There's one underneath. There's actually two screws here on the side where the fender is. And there's a hidden screw underneath this felt. There's a 10mm that holds it in right here, which has already been removed. This car was repaired before, they didn't put it in, but we took it out the other side. So there's a hidden one on the top, and the rest it should pull out once you get them all off. There's little stays that hold it on too, like here. This one's broke, but that holds it too, so you have to kind of wedge that out. So if you get all those 10mm screws, it'll pull right out. I'll show you the other side. We already took that out. What it looks like underneath here. So you can see the tab there, but that's the hidden one. Got the little stay in the back. The one on the side is just broken off, and underneath right there. So that's it. Once you get the light out, you can just disconnect the bulbs, take these out, or disconnect the bulb, either way, and then you're done. Need to change a bulb, just basically unscrew it, press this tab and pull the bulb will come out, put it back in. It's really simple. I'm doing this one hand, otherwise I would do it. Again, you twist it out, and to separate the socket from the wire, press that little tab and use two hands and pull them apart. Bulbs, without taking out the assembly, you have to go through the fender liner. You have to get this fender liner down, and you can access it from the back and actually reach them bulbs or get them from underneath, or, which is very difficult, or you can take the whole assembly out. This is the fastest way through the liner, but take the light out,